Welcome to Analytics Fundamentals. In this series, we explore measuring content performance and understanding metrics that matter for content success. Analytics are the numbers and data that tell you how your audience interacts with your content. By the end of this video, you'll understand what metrics to track and how to use them to grow your channel. Analytics are important for four main reasons. First, they help you track performance by showing what content is working and what needs improvement. Second, analytics guide your decisions, allowing you to make data-driven choices about what content to create next. Third, they measure your growth so you can see your progress over time and celebrate your wins. Finally, analytics help you know your audience by revealing who watches your content and how they engage with it. There are three main categories of metrics you should focus on. First is engagement metrics, which includes likes, comments, and shares from your viewers. Second is reach and impressions, which tells you how many people see your content. Third is watch time and retention, which shows how long viewers actually watch your videos. Understanding these three categories gives you a complete picture of your content performance. Let's dive deeper into engagement metrics. Likes show that your content resonates with viewers and is a quick approval signal. Comments indicate deeper interest and discussion, making them a high-value interaction. Shares are the maximum endorsement because when viewers share your content, they expand your reach to their own networks. The more engagement you get, the more the platform's algorithm promotes your content to new viewers. Average watch time is the total number of hours viewers spend watching your content. This is the most important metric for algorithm ranking because platforms prioritize content that keeps people watching. Viewer retention rate shows what percentage of your video viewers watch before they stop and leave. This metric tells you if your content keeps your audience engaged. Click-through rate, or CTR, is the percentage of times your video thumbnail is shown that results in someone actually clicking to watch. A higher CTR means more people want to watch your content based on your thumbnail and title. Impressions are the number of times your content appears on screens. This includes your video showing up on the homepage, in recommendations, or in search results. Reach refers to unique viewers who see your content at least once. It shows your total potential audience for that video. Traffic sources tell you where viewers come from, such as subscriptions, recommendations, search results, or external websites. Geographic data shows you the locations of your viewers, which helps you understand your audience distribution across different countries and regions. Growth indicators track how your channel is improving over time. Subscriber growth shows the rate of new channel subscribers, which measures your channel's authority and how much people trust you. Video performance trends compare metrics between your recent videos and past videos, showing you what content strategy is currently working best. Audience retention growth shows your improving ability to keep viewers watching longer, which indicates better content quality and better editing techniques. Demographics tell you the age, gender, and location of your viewers, which helps you tailor content to the right audience. Device types show whether your viewers watch on mobile phones, desktop computers, or tablets. This informs your video format and production choices. Geographic distribution reveals which countries and regions are watching your content, guiding your language and cultural considerations. Viewing patterns show the times and days when your audience is most active, which helps you optimize when to upload videos and send notifications. You have access to built-in platform analytics that provide a native dashboard with all your key metrics. This is free, comprehensive, and regularly updated. Search and discovery data helps you understand how viewers find your content by showing the search terms they use and the recommendation sources they come from. Engagement reports provide a detailed breakdown of likes, comments, and shares, helping you identify which content types resonate most with your audience. The most important step is turning your data into action. First, identify patterns by looking for trends in what content performs best, such as specific topics, formats, or upload times. Second, test and experiment by creating variations to see what resonates more with your audience, like different titles, thumbnails, or video lengths. Third, Track changes and monitor your metrics after implementing each strategic decision to measure its impact. Finally, scale what works by investing more time and resources into the strategies, showing the best results, and doubling down on your winning content themes. Here are 4 key takeaways to remember. First, analytics reveal what works by showing you exactly what resonates with your audience. Second, focus on actionable metrics because watch time, retention, and engagement drive real growth. Third, embrace continuous improvement by using your data to test, learn, and refine your content strategy. Fourth, know your audience because understanding who watches your content helps you create better and more targeted videos. Start applying these analytics principles to your channel today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.